You know, Numbus, baby girl, get poppin' that sugar and power up. Woo! Man, we need this fog to go away, dog. We need this fog to go away.
Uptown Newport.
Ride around on this Chevy. Pistol off my boxes. I ain't got time to be boxing. I hear something like a horn. Can't tell. There's nobody here. You dumb slut of a traffic light. Dang it, my visor's getting all fogged up. Like from the outside, not the inside. Ride around in that Chevy. Pistol off my boxes. I ain't got time to be boxing. Got a red bone, she look dropping. She shopping. Young money, we popping. I hate these rappers, Anthony Hopkins. You see that V-neck? It's polo. Grilled up like Ocho. Chuck Taylors with no socks. You chicken. Pollo. Polo? Something like that. I don't know. Alright, these traffic lights are really ruining the vibe. Ruining it. You're ruining it. Have you guys seen that meme? Or that video? Or that TikTok? Or that reel? I don't know what to call it nowadays. I have no idea what to call it nowadays. Man, I am fogging up like a mug on my visor right now. Pistol off my boxes. I ain't got time to be boxing. Got a red bone, she look chopping. She F me right and she shopping. Young money, we popping. I hate these rappers, Anthony Hopkins. Man, this is amazing. It must suck for you guys, but it is amazing for me. See, I just did that, and it didn't hurt my ears. It didn't hurt my ears, man. I'm yelling right now, and it doesn't hurt. It hurts my throat, but it doesn't hurt. I don't care how it sounds to you guys. I'm loving this. But I constantly have that feeling that I need to pop my ears, but I can't pop it because there's something penetrating my ears. Penetrating. I would love to go for a dip. Watch me dip. Watch me dip. Watch me pop it on the ground and do a backflip. But yeah, Nimbus, I'm sorry. I can't enjoy your majestic sounds. Noises emanating from your engine manifold. Did I use that right? Car people out there. Engine manifold. Did I use that right? Please. Please. Please say that I use that right.
Please? Please, puppy, please?
Man, I can't wait to go home and listen to this footage and see how much of a douchebag ooh, lightheadedness. Feeling a little lightheaded. Look all you want, homie. You can't F with a big dog. You're both slut. How did that sound? How did that sound? I just want to talk more because I want to hear myself listen. Hear myself listen? Oh, cool. When you talk, you're talking and listening at the same time because you hear your own voice. You learned something new today, huh? That wasn't loud at all. That wasn't loud at all. We've unlocked like a new level. That's what I feel, man. This is the closest thing that I could have while riding that resembles a butt plug. Man, could you ride with a butt plug? Honest question, could you ride with one? I feel like you can't. Because of the bumps. I feel like you can't. Could you ride with one? Has someone ridden with one? Is there footage of someone riding with one? Has to be a girl though. If it's a dude, you know what? Depends on how you look. If you're pretty, I'd watch. I'd watch. I'd watch. It is throwing off my calibration of how I ride. I've been stumbling a little bit, so it is throwing that off for me a little bit. You know, Numbus, baby girl, get poppin' that sugar and power up. Woo! I didn't curse. I threw out a couple letters, but I didn't curse. Yeah, it feels a little weird. Like I feel a little bit like lightheaded, but not lightheaded. Like not lightheaded. I'm gonna no, not that lightheaded, but just lightheaded, kind of like, you know, my bodily fluids that happen to be in your ears. I don't know what it's called, but those feel a little bit a little off. Feels a little off. King and Queens. But yeah, my bodily fluids, the fluids that are supposed to be in your ear that, you know, help you with calibration. People with vertigo, hashtag Arrested Development, they feel a little off. Feel a little off. So I can't really, like, I can't even tell if my head is straight. Like, is this straight, right? I think this is straight. I don't know. I can't tell that right now. It sounds a little off. A little off? Taxi driver looking at me while he was picking his ears. He could tell what was going on. He could tell what was going on. speed all you want. I don't give an F about you, son. Look at me all you want. I don't give an F about you, son. We vibing on our own beats. From the streets, up in the sheets, I creep. Oh, look at this dude. Look, he was staring at me so hard. He was staring at me so hard. He, is that an AMG? No. He was staring at me so hard that he swerved. He was swerving. This is awesome. Got a ton of big folks. Got a red bone sugar tropic. Where's my red bone, man? Where's my red bone, man? Why am I riding around without a red bone, man? Man, this sounds awesome! What up, shorty? I can hear my voice so clear, so crisp, so raw, man. What you want, Mazda? Nah, man, we're gonna save it. I'm gonna save them juices for the big dogs. I doubt anybody's gonna be out here besides old folks. And if old folks come out in the supercars, for some reason, I never understood this. They go way below the speed limit. I don't know. I never understood why. Like, at least do the speed limit in your supercar, your Exotica. But they don't even do that. They do their own thing. They vibe their own way. And I feel like if you old, you should be hauling some booty, because you got limited time on this beautiful to that is round, not flat, you douchebags. So might as well live it up, man. This sounds, I can't get over this. This sounds amazing. I'm on something right now, man. Look, this is real something. The video might be effed up because it's foggy. I'm sorry about that. Go talk to science. It's not my fault, man. Humidity, go talk to science. Perspiration, prescribing, prescriptions. It is not my fault. I like words that start with a P. The light's open. What's taking so long? You just gotta turn. Yeah, I'm always a person who's last. Look at that. Empty. Look at that. Empty. We might see some early bird risers. Riders. But I doubt that too. But nah, F everything. I got you guys. I got myself and my voice, man. God, this is so freaking amazing. Freaking amazing. Freaking amazing. Son of a gun. Is this what you guys have been experiencing this entire time? I gotta be honest, when I'm editing videos, I'm usually so buzzed, my bad, dazed, my bad, faded, that I'm not really paying attention. Wow, that is a lot of people all of a sudden. It's probably the old people going for that early bird special, having their dinner at 8 a.m. in the morning. Dude, zip up your shirt. Ain't nobody want to see a cyclist's pecs, a cyclist's pecs. Shorty, old, no, she was young, mid-young, old young. Young but old, but not super. Are you kidding me? Why aren't you guys in bed? Why is there people out so early? Old, see, I'm telling you, old all around. What is up? This is riding insane. Shorty, I understand you want to show some skin, but you gotta understand there's other people out here and they have feelings and wants and needs, and you're not fulfilling any of them. And I take all that back. You're allowed to do what you like, even if you don't squat. It's cool. Do it. Go for it. Go for it. Go for it. Go for it. All right then, dog. F you. Ooh, Ferrari. Nice. No, that's the hatchback one. F that one. We don't care about the hatchback. F the hatchback one, man. It is pretty damn slow. The amount of times Numbus has clowned with it, it has been a disappointment. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, I also have a runny nose, but I still sound so amazing. How about that? Flexing on me like a badger. Call me a big booty homie. I don't know. I'm really happy. Not a Hellcat. I'm just really happy. I don't even get why I look at Chargers and Challengers. Like, what's the point? If it is a Hellcat, El Gato, El Perro, or it is a demon, El Diablo, who cares though? It's not a GTR or anything, or a Lambo, or a Huracan. That is a Lambo, or a Ferrari, or a Pista 488 Ferrari. Or it's not a, what's the word? McLaren. It's not a McLaren. You got the new ones, shorties? Yeah. They got new ones. I'll take you by to show you guys the new ones. But again, go inside of a dealership and looking at them ain't fun. We need to see them on them streets. We need to clown on them streets. Why is there so many people out? So I haven't still gotten used to the earplugs yet. It's amazing. I love it. I don't know why last time I had these on and I didn't like it. I'm pretty sure something must have happened. but I'm not sure what. But I'm kind of curious on what's about to happen on this ride. That's gonna make me not like a Maserati, right? Yeah, 500 on them. Yeah, Maserati. So I was gonna say yeah, but I got hit with the bumper with yeah. It wasn't my fault. And you Honda, you don't know how to drive, dog. Take that license number plate thingy, shove it up your butt, take your license card. Is that what you call it? Driver's license, there you go. And shove that deep under your booty, because you don't need it. We got a Mustang up there, but... Oh. Hi there, ladies. Pass. That was not worth it. You see the car coming, homie. Why don't you swap lanes before? Why do you wait to the last second to swap lanes? Why are you such an idiot? You're in a Honda Civic that's like 96 years old. He's gonna cut again, watch. 500 on him, see? Where's my 500 on him? Huh? Oh, this is the Model Y, by the way. For you guys curious about the new Model Y, this is the new Model Y. Tesla! I can take it up so high because it doesn't hurt my ears anymore because I got butt plugs in my ears, man.